Did you know that Spartan warriors were created through a system so brutal it would shock you today? Spartan boys were deliberately starved and told to steal food to survive. But here's the twist. They were only punished if they got caught. This taught them to be sneaky and ruthless. But it gets darker. Young Spartans had to join the Krypteia, a secret police force that hunted and murdered slaves called helots for sport. This wasn't just cruelty, it was to prevent slave revolts. Here's what might surprise you most. Spartan women were the most powerful in the ancient world. They controlled 40% of all land and could divorce freely while other women had no rights. The brutality didn't stop there. Spartans practiced eugenics, examining every newborn baby. If they seemed weak, they threw them off Mount Taygetus cliff to die. But here's the mind-blowing truth that changes everything. Helots outnumbered Spartans 10-1. The famous warrior society was actually a tiny ruling class living in constant terror of the very slaves they oppressed.